Ever battled with a stubborn pimple or dark circles under your eyes? You're not alone. Concealer can be a tricky product to master. From selecting the perfect shade and formula to understanding where and how to apply it, the challenges are real. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to apply concealer like a pro, ensuring you get the most out of this magical makeup tool. Say goodbye to concealer woes and hello to flawless skin. First things first, choose the right concealer. Now, there are different types of concealers out there, each with their unique uses. You've got liquid concealers, great for all skin types and offering buildable coverage. Cream concealers, perfect for dry or normal skin and fantastic for covering discoloration. Then, there are stick concealers, best for normal to dry skin and amazing for precision application. Choosing the right concealer also depends on your skin type and tone. If you have oily skin, opt for oil-free formulas. For dry skin, look for moisturizing concealers. When it comes to skin tone, remember this rule of thumb. Your concealer should be 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. And here's a little secret. Always test products before purchasing. Apply a small amount to the back of your hand or wrist. This will give you a good idea of how it will look on your face. The right concealer can make all the difference. Remember, it's not about covering up, it's about enhancing your natural beauty. Now that you have your perfect match, let's get down to business. The first step to a flawless complexion is preparing your skin. Start by cleansing your face to remove any dirt or oil. This helps to create a clean canvas for your makeup. Follow up with a good moisturizer. Hydrated skin is key to a smooth and even application. Next, prime your skin. Primer creates an even surface and helps your concealer stay put. Now we're ready to apply the concealer. Dab it under your eyes, on blemishes, and areas with redness. Remember, a little goes a long way. Use a brush or sponge to blend the concealer into your skin, making sure there are no visible lines. Blending is crucial for a natural finish. It's all about creating a seamless transition between your concealer and your skin. So take your time, blend, and then blend some more. With these steps, you're on your way to a flawless complexion. Hold on, we're not done yet. Let's talk about setting your concealer. It's like securing a masterpiece. You don't want your hard work to slide off, do you? That's where setting powder comes in. It's your concealer's best friend. Gently pat it over your concealer, locking it in place for the day. Explore different methods. Find what works best for you. Remember, a little goes a long way. And voila, you've mastered the art of concealer application. Before we say goodbye, let's quickly recap and address some common mistakes. We've discussed the purpose of concealers, how different types serve different needs, and the importance of choosing the right one for your skin type and tone. Remember, preparing the skin is key to optimal concealer application. Follow our step-by-step guide to skin prep, and you're off to a great start. Missteps often occur during the application process. Applying too much concealer, especially under the eyes, can create an unnatural look. Likewise, failing to blend properly can leave visible lines and patches. And don't forget the importance of setting your concealer. This ensures a long-lasting, flawless finish. Color-correcting concealers can seem daunting, but they're your secret weapon against redness and blemishes. Just remember, less is more. And finally, contouring and highlighting with concealer can elevate your look, but it's all about subtle enhancements. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be a concealer pro in no time.